Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and now tap on View Wallet button. As you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips and manage your passes. Also you can add new passes like loyalty gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips. Tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. Then you can check full list of participating banks. And next, you can manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases and updates about your passes. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.